Hi students, today let us see how to find the HCF, highest common factor or greatest common factor or greatest common divisor. Anyway it is same, highest common factor or greatest common divisor, GCD or HCF, both are same. Today I am going to explain how to find HCF by division method. Okay, find the HCF of 36 and 40. First question, find the HCF of 36 and 60. Okay, let us find how to find the HCF of 36 and 60 by using division method. Okay, this is the first method, division method. So by division method I am going to find the HCF, right? So what are the given numbers here? 36 and 60. Okay. Now first step what you have to do is divide the greatest number by smallest number. Right? Divide the bigger number by smaller number. How many times it goes? 36 ones are 36, 36 twos are 72. It is more. So 36 ones are 36. Subtract 4, 5 minus 3, 2. What is the remainder here? 24 is the remainder. Now, by this remainder, you have to divide divisor, previous divisor. Okay? Until you get remainder 0, this process will be continued. Okay? Again, 24 ones are 24. Here, 12 will remain. Now again what should you do? By this 12, what is the previous divisor here? 24. 12 twos are 24. What is the remainder? 0. So we got remainder 0. In this step, what is the divisor here? 12. That is called HCF. Therefore, the HCF of 36 and 60 is 12. That means, what does it mean? Highest common factor of 36 and 60 is 12. 12 is the greatest common factor of 36 and 60. Many factors, for example 36 factors we have, 60 also factors we have. In that factors, common factor for both is 12. 12 3 is 36, 12 5 60. It divides both the numbers completely. Okay, that is called HCF. Understand? Greatest number should be divided by smallest number until you get the remainder 0. Okay, we will see one more problem. 16 and 24. 16 and 24. We will see once. 16 and 24. Second problem. 16 and 24. What are the given numbers? 16 and 24. Now what is the greatest number here? 24. So that 24 should be divided by 16. How many times it goes? 16 2s 32. It is more. 16 ones are 16. Subtract. We will get 8 as remainder. Again by this 8 you have to divide this 16. 8 twos are 16. Remainder 0. Then in this case, what is the divisor? 8. That is called highest common factor. Therefore, the HCF of 16 and 24 is 8. So 8 table, 8 twos are 16 and 8 threes are 24. Among the common factors of 16 and 24, this 8 is the highest common factor. Understand? Hope it is clear. Among factors of 16 and factors of 24, 8 is the highest common factor. Okay? We will see how to find the HCF of 3 numbers. When we are given 3 numbers, how do we find? Okay? 2 numbers, okay. When 3 numbers are given, how do you find the HCF? Find the HCF of 18, 24 and 32. 18, 24 and 32. Okay. So in this case, what are the given numbers here? What are the given numbers? 18, 24 and 32. In this case, consider any 2 numbers, your wish. Consider any 2 numbers. First I am taking 18 and 24. First find out the HCF of 18 and 24. Okay? You can choose any 2 of the given 3 numbers. Okay? 2 numbers you can take. First 2 numbers I am taking and find the HCF as I explained earlier. 18 ones are 18. So remainder is 6. Again 18 you have to divide. 6 threes are 18. Remainder 0. What is the divisor in this case here? 6. That is called HCF. For what HCF? The HCF of 18, 24 is 6. Right? Now again one more number is left here. What is that number? 32 is left now. So you have to find now we need to find HCF of this 6 and what is the number left there? 32. Now again same procedure we follow. So how do we do it? 32 must be divided by 6. 6 5s are 30. 2 remainder. Again we have to divide by 6. 2 3s are 6. Now what is the remainder here? 0. In this case what is the divisor? 2. So that is the final HCF. Therefore the HCF of given numbers are what? 18, 24 and 32 is 2. So 2 table will go in 18. 2 9s are 18, 2 12s are 24, 2 16s are 32. Right? So among the factors of 18, 24 and 32, only 2 is the highest common factor. No other factor is there. Okay? 2 is the highest common factor. Okay? That is the way we calculate when we are given 3 numbers. Right? One more problem we will see. Find the HCF of 32. Fourth problem. Find the HCF of 32, 56, 32, 56 and 46. What are the given numbers here? 32, 56 and 46. Consider any two numbers. Find out HCF. I will take 32 and 56. 56 is divided by 32. 32 ones are 32. 4, 2. Again you have to divide this. 24 ones are 24. How much will remain? 8. 24. 8 threes are 24. Remainder is 0. In this case, what is the divisor? What is the divisor in this case? That is called HCF. The HCF of 32, 56 is 8. Now one more number is left here. What is that? 46. Now we need to find HCF of, what are the numbers left here? 8 and 46. 8 and 46. Now calculate HCF of 8 and 46. How do we calculate now? Bigger number should be divided by smaller. 8 5s are 40. Right? 8 6 are 48. It is more. 6 remainder. 8 6 1s are 6. 2 again 6. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 0. So what is the remainder left? The divisor left here 2. So this is the highest common factor or greatest common divisor. Therefore, the HCF of 32, 56 and 46 is 2. So among the factors of 32, 56 and 46, 2 is the highest common factor. Okay? Hope it is clear the method. You have to try yourself these problems. Okay? Try yourself and calculate. Okay? I'll tell you. 7, 14, 24. 18 and 30. 16, 35. 1. If there is no highest common factor, that should be considered as 1. Remember that. Okay? 4, 8, 12, 18. 8, 12, 18. Okay? You try yourself. If you do not find any common factor, we have to consider it as 1. Okay? Remember that point. For example, here you see 35 divided by 16. You check it this. That 16 to 32. 3 will remain. 16. 3 5s are 15. 1 will remain. So 3. 1 3s are 3. So what is the remainder here? Divisor here 1. So you will get highest common factor as 1 there for third problem. Okay? You try yourself. The method is clear. So you try to understand, listen carefully and try to do that problems. Thank you.